Hey guys, welcome to Future Tech. We often find ourselves in search of interesting or creative gadgets to solve life's little problems, or simply to gift to someone that we love. Here are 8 of the coolest gadgets available on Amazon or other online retailers. But before we begin, be sure to click that notification bell and subscribe button so that you'll be notified about all of our future uploads. Eight, Camp Stove 2. You can now turn fire into electricity using BioLite's award-winning stove. The patented technology works by creating a small vortex of smokeless flames that can be used as a portable campfire, allowing you to cook full meals, charge any electronics to may have, or keep yourself warm, all at the same time. You can now leave hefty gas canisters behind and save money while doing so. The Camp Stove 2 is available now at select retailers for just $129 US. Most Camp Stove bundles even included an added flex light, which can be used to ignite your surroundings such as brush, sticks, twigs, and more to keep yourself warm for even longer. Each device allows up to 3 watts of energy to be produced, allowing you to charge up to a 2600 mAh battery in a relatively short amount of time. 7. Tenabot. This next product will be an excellent addition to any athlete's collection of gear and is known as Tenabot. This small robotic machine eliminates the tedious task of collecting your tennis balls during a workout or training session. Gone are the days of spending 50% of your time collecting any balls that you may have misshot, as this bot can intelligently locate any missing balls and retrieve them without you having to lift a finger. The Tenabot comes equipped with a scoop-like mechanism located on the front of the unit that forces your balls through the machine and into the dump container on the back of the unit. After all balls have been collected, the container can be emptied into your storage bin and the balls can reused at a later time. The Tenabot first launched on Kickstarter with an asking price of $700, but for any professional tennis player, this device is certainly worth the investment. 6. M-Pad Balance Trainer. The M-Pad Balance Trainer is a product designed to increase the user's balance and core muscle strength with a tilt and swivel motion, allegedly mimicking real-life workout movements. The device is even compatible with an app that allows the user to play interactive games, take part in training programs, and even perform instability tests that you can then review on your smartphone or television. You can also track your workouts and see how your balance and speed has increased over time. The M-Pad offers a textured surface that provides increased traction for longer lasting sessions and is even suitable for the elderly when used in a controlled environment. It is collapsible and portable, allowing it to fit directly into your gym bag or vehicle. It will not leave marks on your flooring and was designed to last for many years to come without the need for repair or replacement. 5. Lockbook. The Lockbook is a brand new device designed by FP Life Technology, based in Hong Kong. This personalized notebook provides excellent security by offering a biometric fingerprint sensor to secure your writings and be customized in many ways to suit your style. The Lockbook first launched on Indiegogo a short while back, where it managed to achieve over double its projected goal in a reasonably short period. It is now available from several online retailers, though since most of these products are still shipping from Hong Kong, you should expect shipping to take a while. The Lockbook can be found online for prices around $79 US. This device is considered to be an all-in-one notebook where you can store personal documents, private information, or even computer passwords. The only person allowed to access the notebook is yourself, considering that it will only unlock with your fingerprint. Check it out today, as this device will be a great addition to any household and is a perfect alternative to a traditional lockbox. For a professional businessman or woman, this device is a must-have to keep those important documents safe. 4. Meiku Form Box. The Meiku Form Box is a revolutionary technology that functions somewhat similarly to a 3D printer, though in a way, the user is responsible for the so-called printing. This device allows the user to make customizable molds that can be used for seemingly endless purposes, such as arts and crafts, home repairs, cooking, and so much more. Most molds can be created in a matter of seconds, allowing you to speed along your development cycle. This device is excellent for any creator, large scale or small, and can be used in an almost unimaginably large number of circumstances. All you need to do is locate the shape you want to mold, place it in the form box, then allow the form box to press down over the top of your object, creating a plastic mold in seconds. You can then fill the mold with any material of your choosing, maybe resin, chocolate, clay, anything. This mold then can be reused an endless number of times. The form box is available online for $699 and is a must-have for anyone interested in creating or customizing forms or molds of their own. 3. River Power Bank. The River Power Bank is a product that debuted several years ago, but has now been rebranded as the EcoFlow River Bank. This device gained over $1 million in crowdfunding and was designed to be compliant with most airplane travel restrictions. This device offers one of the largest rechargeable batteries on the market and can be used to power anything from a cell phone to small appliances. The River Bank can maintain a charge for several years before needing to be recharged, and its small form factor means that the device can be carried nearly anywhere and stored in any bag or vehicle without taking up much room. The River Bank is also modular, meaning that its less crucial components can be removed and stored away when they are not needed, allowing for an even more portable experience. The main module for the River Bank can be found online for around $199, though it is currently unavailable for sale through the retailer. You may have better luck locating this item on Amazon or other online retailers, and can often even find it bundled together with other accessories or components that are not available in the standard purchase package. Two, Groove Gear Club Bag. The Groove Gear Club Bag is a technology-minded backpack that is designed to be used by technology enthusiasts who are always on the move. It can store laptops up to 15 inches wide and even offers specialty compartments for eyewear and headphones. Side compartments are included for power cables and chargers. There are even shelves and drawers located in the side compartments that allow you to quickly organize your smaller electronics or repair components without them being scrambled around inside of your bag. The bag is TSA friendly and can be used on nearly any airline flight around the world without hassle. These bags comfortably fit into the upper cargo storage area of the flight, so that you don't have to worry about your products being broken during transportation in the luggage compartment. 1. Bisecu Smart Bike Lock. The Bisecu Smart Bike Lock is the self-proclaimed smartest bike lock in the world. It offers a non-cuttable design with a lock that isn't even visible to the naked eye. It can measure your speeds, distance, and movements, and even provides an alarm and theft notification system to alert you if someone has moved your bike or attempted to tamper with it in any way. The device also allows for an auto unlock feature that will disable the lock temporarily anytime you are close to it, and locks itself again once you have walked away. You can even share your bike with friends through the dedicated smartphone app so that they can use the bike when you are away. A single charge will last the lock for up to 6 months without needing to be recharged. This device can be purchased online for around $129, though it is frequently seen on sale as a result of discount codes or holidays. There are several different versions of the Bisecu Smart Bike Lock, with some even including a headlight assembly for easier night riding. Its subtle design allows you to lock and ride your bike in style without the need for hefty or unsightly cables or chains.